If you are struggling to land your first cybersecurity role because companies are asking for so much experience that you don't have, don't worry, there is a solution. You can get cybersecurity experience completely for free from some of the biggest companies in the world. Let me show you how. So, open your favorite browser and head to the forage.com website. Once you're on the website, click on Explore and Security. Now, scroll down and you will see the job simulations or virtual internships that are available right now for cybersecurity. For example, cybersecurity management at ANZ Australia, Shields App Cybersecurity at AIG, cybersecurity at Telstra, and also cybersecurity at PwC Switzerland, and also three more. So let's explore one of them, for example. Let's assume that you want to complete this one. Click on it, and how it works is that you will complete the tasks that are guided by pre-recorded videos and example answers from our team from the team at ANZ Australia. And also, after completion of all the tasks, you will earn a certificate and add it to your resume and also on LinkedIn. Also, you can stand out in the applications if you want to apply for the ANZ security in the future. So there are two tasks, for example, in this virtual internship. The task one is to perform a social engineering investigation, and also the second task would be about the digital investigation. And the finish line, you will receive some interview tips and also a resume snippet, a summary ready to add to your resume once you finish the virtual internship. And that's it. You can just come to visit the website and also start the free program here, complete the task, add it to your LinkedIn and also resume, and get a free experience on cybersecurity and how things work in the real world. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And also feel free to share it with your friends and also comment any resources that you have with the amazing community here at YouTube. So see you in the next video.